All right, let's go over the top pairs of this week that I'll be trading. First we got Euro AUD. On the weekly time frame, we are bullish. This is our higher high. This is our higher low. Daily, we are bearish. Lower high, lower low. In the 4-hour, just created a new lower high and a new lower low. I got in this trade. I'm in right now. As you can see, we had a 30-minute shift to structure, and I was going to get in on this pullback, but I ended up getting in right here. It's fine. We're currently almost at a 1-to-1, and we have a solid area of interest. We have support, resistance, 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 support, support, and now we are resisting. Next, we have GBP CAD on the weekly time frame. We are bullish. On the daily time frame, we are bullish. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. On the 4-hour, we are also bullish. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. On the daily, we have this beautiful area of interest. We have resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support, support. And now we're going to potentially use this area as support. I'm anticipating for price to reach this area of interest and hit the EMA. Also, psychological area of interest 1.78500, to then close in there and have a rejection, for then have a 1-hour shift to structure and a 30 to 15 minute engulfing. So price on the 4-hour will probably come down to here, retest this EMA that's coming up, reaches in psychological level, with also the previous 4-hour structure. So that's a beautiful trade. Next we have AUD USD. On the weekly time frame, we are bearish, lower high and this lower low. On the daily time frame, we are bullish. We have this higher low and this higher high. This 4-hour, we are also bullish. We have this higher low and this higher high. So the daily, we have a good area of interest. We have resistance, resistance, and then we have resistance along here. Now I'm anticipating price to reach this area of interest, closing it, have a rejection off this EMA, then waiting for a shift to structure on the 30 minutes to an hour. We also could add in this psychological level right here. Perfect. Could also add that as another confluence. GBP USD on the weekly, we are bearish. This is our lower high. This is our lower low. On the daily, we are bullish. This is our current higher high and our higher low. We just shifted structure. On the 4-hour, we are bullish, but it most likely will turn bearish to reach our area of interest. In this trade, I would want the daily and the 4-hour to be bullish. So if by the time it reaches our area of interest right here, where I will want to buy, if the 4-hour is not bullish, I will not take the trade because we don't have two time frames in sync. And our daily area of interest is resistance, 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 support, 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 resistance, and so on. So I will anticipate for price to come here, retest EMA, retest this beautiful area of interest, and we could also add on round psychological level 1.2500. Perfect. That's beautiful. And I'll most likely have a risk to reward something like this, depending, something like that. And if we end up closing above this other area of interest right here, I'll continue to hold because it'll use it as support to this area of interest right up here. So yeah, that's this trade. And then this last one is Euro GBP. We took a loss. We were actually break even last week, and I got in this trade as soon as when market opened on Monday night, I'm pretty sure. We got stopped out. It happens, losses are a part of the game, but now it's just giving me a beautiful opportunity to sell. So we'll see now. we're still bullish on the weekly. On the daily, we're still bullish. I want price to close under this level, something like this. Come into this area of interest on the daily, support and resistance level. As you can see, we have resistance, support, resistance, support. And by the time it reaches here, this EMA will be further down to then go ahead and come to the downside. This is one of my last pairs for the week. I'm not really too interested. I have obviously more pairs that are more interested this week. I want price to come right here to this area. It's going to retest this previous structure point as also EMA. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy, leave a like, comment down anything you guys want to see, and hope you're having a great day. Peace.